Look how he watching it. Trying to watch that squirrel. As soon as he get leverage, look at the claws on that motherfucker. Excuse my language. My nature narrative. Look at he watching. Like, man, don't you know I'm gonna eat you? I am not your friend. Look at the squirrel and the hawk. Look at the squirrel. Squirrel playing with him. He think it's sweet. That squirrel think it's sweet. Look at the claws on that motherfucker. He put them claws around that squirrel's neck. Yeah, you. He's trying to eat your ass, squirrel. Yeah, I don't know why you looking at me. You about to be dinner. Get him, bird of prey. Yeah, you about to be dinner. Get him, get him. I don't know why you worried about me. You better be worried about him. About to get your dumb ass. You'll figure it out. I'm gonna let y'all do your thing. Go on and get him, bird of prey.